If gardening has started to feel harder on your body, especially your back, knees, or hands, you're not alone. The good news is, a few simple tools can make gardening easier and more enjoyable again. Today we're looking at simple gardening tools that reduce strain on your body and help you garden more comfortably, especially after 50. Before we get started, we've put together a short list for you at the end, so you can grab a quick screenshot before you go. A padded garden kneeler helps reduce pressure on your knees, especially when planting or weeding. Many models flip into a seat, so you can garden without kneeling at all. The side handles are important, they help you stand up safely, which reduces strain on your back and legs. This is one of the easiest ways to make gardening easier on your body. Lightweight gardening tools are much easier on your hands and wrists, because they require less force to use. Tools with soft, cushioned handles help reduce pressure on your joints, especially if you have stiffness or arthritis. According to arthritis health experts, reducing grip strain can help prevent joint pain from getting worse. A good pair of pruning shears should feel easy to squeeze, not stiff or difficult. Look for pruners with a spring mechanism, so they open automatically after each cut. This reduces repetitive strain on your fingers and makes pruning much more comfortable over time. Raised beds and containers bring the soil up to a comfortable height, so you don't have to bend or kneel as much. This helps reduce pressure on your lower back and makes gardening easier to manage. Even small containers can create the same benefit, especially when placed near your home. A watering wand extends your reach, so you don't have to twist or bend awkwardly. This helps protect your back and shoulders, especially when watering hanging baskets or hard-to-reach areas. We're almost there, and I'll share a simple list at the end to make this easy to save. Padded gardening gloves protect your hands from pressure, friction, and blisters. This is especially helpful when pulling weeds or working with tools for longer periods. A smaller watering can or a lightweight hose can reduce strain without changing your routine. Less weight means less effort and more energy for gardening. Long-handled tools allow you to garden while standing, which reduces bending and back strain. This is especially helpful for larger areas or longer gardening sessions. Moving soil, mulch, or plants can be exhausting. A garden cart makes it much easier and helps prevent strain on your body. It's a simple tool, but a big energy saver. And before we finish, here are a few simple tips to help you use these tools more comfortably. Experts recommend warming up before gardening, especially your hands, knees, and back. Gentle movement, good posture, and taking short breaks can help prevent soreness and fatigue. Here is the simple list we've talked about today for your screenshots. If you want to keep it simple, this is a great place to start. We've put a simple guide in the description, with these tools listed out, so you can come back to it anytime. Thank you for joining us today. If you'd enjoy more simple gardening tips after 50, we'd love to have you subscribe. Until next time, keep it small, keep it simple.